Hi, my name is Dhananjay Singh and I'm founder of Roboprenr. We are into robotics training for children in age group 8 to 18 years. In the era dominated by AI in robotics, we bring a powerful, comprehensive and well-designed program to impart high-quality robotics and AI skills in the young minds. Our program involves hands-on learning where children build numerous robotics and coding projects. Our program is highly focused on building strong fundamentals. Our classes conducted in small group of 3 to 5 students with expert instructors in live classes where instructor pays personal attention to each and every student. Our program prepares children for competition so that children not only build powerful tech skills but they also showcase their talent in the international and national competitions like WRO, Micro Mouse, May Solve a Robot Challenge and IT Bombay Tech Fest. Our program equips children to become future tech creators and entrepreneurs. So if you have kids in the age group 8 to 18 years, then reach out to us and we'll create a customized learning plan for your child to get them started on this amazing robotics learning journey. This program will take your child way ahead in life and career.